Dear students, myself Naresh Kumar Dogra. Today, under the introduction to accounting, we are going to discuss various advantages of accounting. As you find from the diagram, accounting has a number of advantages like replacement of memory, helpful in planning, it is helpful in decision making, it facilitates control over assets, facilitates to a certain financial performance of the business. Information regarding the financial position can also be ascertained with the help of accounting. It enables comparative study. It facilitates the settlement of tax liability. It can be used as an evidence in legal matters. Facilitates sale of business. Also, it facilitates loan facility. Apart from that, there are number of advantages are there. Now we are going to discuss these advantages of accounting in detail. First advantage is replacement of memory. As we all know that human memory is not so sharp. It is very limited by its nature. Therefore, the need arises to record financial transactions in different books of accounts, because in a business a number of transactions are taking place. Human memory is not so sharp. We cannot memorize each and every single transaction of the business for a long. So, that is why all the business transactions are recorded in the proper books of accounts. Second advantage is it is helpful in planning. An efficient management always plans for the future targets regarding purchase, sale, marketing, funds, etc. in the next accounting period. All this has to be planned in a systematic manner. Accounting provides data for the same.
Planning is very essential for every business organization. Whenever any data is required for the future planning by the organization, we have to go for the accounting records. And those records we may get from the accounting. For taking a large number of decisions, data is required. The financial data that is required for taking large number of decisions can be acquired with the help of accounting. Fourth advantage is accounting also facilitates control over various assets. Accounting facilitates control over assets by providing information regarding cash or bank balance, position of the debtors, and fixed assets or liabilities, etc. The accounting records provides the necessary information to the management in this regard, as
with the help of accounting, we may be able to find the balances of various assets and liabilities. Accounting also facilitates to ascertain financial performance as well as financial position of the business. At the end of every accounting period, the business has to prepare its financial statements. Those financial statements are known as the income statement and position statement. Income statement is being prepared in order to know the financial performance of the business, whereas the position statement is being prepared in order to check the financial position of the business. Accounting facilitates to ascertain financial performance by preparing income statement at the end of accounting period. Evaluating the performance of business from profitability point of view gives vital information to the owners and various other interested parties, whereas the position statement discloses the position of various assets and liabilities with their values as at a particular date to judge the solvency of the business. Next advantage is accounting enables comparative study. A systematic record enables a businessman to compare 1 year's performance of the business with those of other years or with other business enterprises. and locate significant factors leading to change, if any. A comparative study is very necessary for every business organization because it will have to check its performance over the years. Also, it will have to check the performance of its business activities or business with other business organizations of similar nature. Helpful in assessment of tax liability. Every business organization has to assess its tax liability, and for that a systematic accounting record immensely helps in the settlement of tax liabilities with the authorities by maintaining proper books according to the requirement of the law. Another advantage is evidence in legal matters. In case of any disputes the organization is facing, properly maintained accounts supported by authenticated documents are accepted by the courts as a firm evidence. It also facilitates the sale of business. If the business entity is being sold, the accounting information can be utilized for the proper evaluation of the business. And the last advantage is it facilitates loans. Every business organization needs loan facilities, and accounting facilitates raising of loans from banks and other financial institutions by providing them historical and projected financial statements. So dear students, these are the various advantages of accounting. In the next video, we are going to discuss various disadvantages of accounting. Till then, thank you.